That's friendlies.
That's friendlies?
That's friendlies wrapping. Be advised, friendlies wrapping from the right.
Where's your DMR? Like dive.
Birds? How the fuck did I find birds? Oh, what are the sizes? That's fucking...
No, you found them in the woods.
Yeah, apparently.
I don't want to be Captain Obvious here, right?
Yeah, thanks, bud.
No problem.
We could make them kind of go, oh shit, well they're not coming.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right?
And now they're kind of like, what the fuck's going on? But I just saw a couple guys walking down the trail, so...
Our guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're gonna go...
They're gonna go get shot.
Yeah.
I like that sound.
I like the clinky clinky.
So straight ahead down that path, there's a lot of dark movement. You see it? Got some more in the back.
Yeah, I got it.
I don't know if he's dead.
No, he's not dead.
But he's definitely wearing black, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a shot?
Not really. What's he gonna do? Nope. No. We got off to my 11:30 there. Got one.
Okay, let's move it around. Okay, you move behind some trees.
Okay.
The trees he was nearby. I would almost say this position is good. Right here. I don't know if it's Cam. Right up ahead. Do you see him? That looks black to me. Look at it. You good? You good? You good? The other one to the right. Good. You just got another. Hey, Matt, that's that's one knocked to death, right? Yeah, we got, and my other thing I got, we don't need it right now, but it's just actually good for using it.
Let's get back here, buddy.
You see him? You see him?
I'm on my last flight, so don't bother medicing me on my last flight. Yeah.
I know. Just close his doors.
Straight ahead, straight. How far? I don't know, like 25 feet maybe.
The guy coming left to right in front of you. Yeah. Okay. BJ? I got eyes on someone right to your left. Like, basically right next to it. Like, I was shooting at him. I don't know if he's hit or not, though. Yeah. Okay. He's got a red light? Yep. Yeah, that hostile over there.
Yep.
Delivering thought vaccines out of Milson near you. Oh shit! Fuck! Oh shit! That was the slowest rollback ever. Alright, I'm dead.